Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fill out a workers' compensation form. First, report your injury to your employer right away, ideally within 1 day of the incident. This is a crucial first step. Next, secure the official workers' compensation claim forms, which your employer or a state agency can provide. Before writing anything, take a few moments to thoroughly read all the instructions. Understanding the requirements will save you time and prevent errors, ensuring a smoother process from the very beginning. Now, let's gather the essential details. Begin by accurately filling in your complete legal name, current contact information, and all relevant employment specifics. This includes your job title and the date you started working. Crucially, document the precise date, time, and exact location where your injury took place. Be as specific as possible. If anyone witnessed the incident, make sure to list their names and contact information. Their statements can be very helpful for your claim. When describing your injury, clarity is key. Explain exactly how the incident occurred, detailing the sequence of events that led to your injury. For example, if you lifted a heavy box, describe the weight and how you lifted it. Clearly state which body part was injured and describe the specific symptoms you are experiencing. Also, include details about any medical treatment received, such as emergency room visits or consultations with a doctor, along with their names. Before submitting your form, take a moment to carefully review every section for accuracy and completeness. Ensure all dates, names, and descriptions are correct. Once confident, sign and date the form. Then, submit the completed document to both your employer and the relevant workers' compensation board or agency. It is vital to make and keep copies of all submitted forms and any related medical records for your personal files. This ensures a complete record of your claim.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.